If you are looking for a move-in ready home in one of Port St. Lucie's newest golf communities, this Jordan inventory home is absolutely worth a look. Offering 1,968 square feet of living space, this home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and a professionally selected design package with several upgrades already included. Combined with the golf course and water views behind the home, this is a great opportunity to enjoy the overall lifestyle of Astor Creek without having to go through the building process. Let's start by taking a look at where this home sits within the community. This home sits on home site 319 and is a part of the Cassidy collection with the lot size about 50 feet wide by 150 feet deep. One of the standout features of this property is the view behind the home. The backyard faces east, overlooking hole 5 of the golf course, with water just beyond the fairway, creating a much more open field behind the property. Rather than looking directly into neighboring homes, you're looking across the golf course and water views, creating a beautiful backdrop for everyday living and outdoor entertaining. Now let's take a look at the floor plan and some of the upgrades that are already included. As I mentioned earlier, this is the Jordan floor plan, which is about 1,968 square feet. This home has the 3rd bedroom option selected and is a 2-bathroom and a 2-car garage home. This particular home has the coastal elevation, which comes with a covered entry and also an additional front-facing window for that front bedroom, really adding some extra curb appeal and natural light. Some of the key structural options for this home, as I mentioned, you have that 3rd bedroom in lieu of a den or flex space, and then you already have the built-in summer kitchen on the lanai. In addition to the structural options, this home has also already had professionally selected design packages, including the gourmet kitchen configuration, the GE appliances package, cabinet crown molding, the quartz waterfall island, laminate wood flooring all throughout the home, smooth wall finishes, and a frameless shower in the owner's bath. As we walk through the home, you'll get a closer look at many of these features, and if you would like a complete breakdown of every structural option, finish, and design selection included in this home, you'll be able to download the full property brochure by scanning the QR code at the end of this video. Of course, you're not just buying the home, you are buying into Astor Creek, one of Port St. Lucie's newest golf communities. Centered around an 18-hole championship golf course, Astor Creek offers residents a resort lifestyle with beautifully designed amenities, social events, and a location that puts you just minutes away from dining, shopping, and everyday conveniences. Whether you're looking for a full-time residence or a seasonal home, Astor Creek has quickly become one of the most popular golf communities on the Treasure Coast. And because this home is already completed and move-in ready, you can start enjoying the community immediately without going through the construction process. If you would like the complete property guide of this home, including the floor plan, pricing, structural options, and design options, simply scan the QR code to download the brochure. And if you would like to schedule a private tour of this home or other opportunities at Astor Creek, feel free to reach out. I would be happy to help. As always, I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.